Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Gyanesh Chanotia. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. Then you got lot of video to solve mathematical problem in easy way. Today's topic is multiplication. Multiplication in fast speed. Yesterday in last video we learned that the multiplication in the part system. Just like 92 multiply 98. In part system, we learned that first part are the same and other parts sum is a place value. Then we multiply it. Different part are multiplied by each other. 8 to the 16. And same part multiplied by the next number. 9 times the 90. In fraction, it is also 1. 5 2 upon 5 multiply 5 3 upon 5. Here first part 5 are same and different parts sum is a place value 1 because 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5 equal to 5 upon 5 is 1. So, and other method we can check it by denominator. Denominator are same and sum of numerator is also a denominator. Then sum is placed. Let's multiply the first number by the next number. First part multiply by the next number. 5 6 are 30 and other parts multiply to each other. 2 3 are 6 and 5 5 are 25. In this way we can multiply the lot of number which made by two part divided in two parts. First part are same and second part are different but their sum is placed. Again I am repeating that we solve this type of method only for those numbers which first part are same and second part sum is a place value. Next, solve the another type of numbers. Next method, we can multiply those numbers which are near to each other is simple. Just like 106 multiplied by 109. Here both of numbers are near to a simple number 100. Then we can solve it by a simple calculation method. Today I am using some language but it is not compulsory for use in calculation. Because I am write the language for only for understanding. For you. First, write numbers. Check the numbers. 106 and 109 as it is. Second time, we check deviation. Deviation we can check indirectly by observation. Just like 06 and 09. Next time I use the direct method but here I written all things which can be used. What is the name of that? And base and subbase. Base means what is the place value of simple number. Here simple number is 100. 100 place value is also 100. So base is 100 and subbase. Subbase is the digit of simple. Again I am repeating that subbase is the digit of simple number. If 40 then digit are 4 and place value are tens because 40 place value is tens. If we have using 300 then digit are 3 and place value are 100. So place value use base and digit are using in subbase. Here subbase is 1. Then it is not effect in our calculation. So generally we multiply the deviation to each other. 9 6 are 54. And any one number solve with the other number. Here 106 and plus 09. Means answer is 150. Next time we can solve it directly because we can see in directly and observations. Just like here, second time I write a number 102 multiply 103. Here we solve what is the division. Division is the difference of simple number. Here simple number is also 100. Subbase is nothing. So multiply the deviation to each other by marking directly. 2 3 is 6. 0 6. Because we are using 2-digit number. Here we does not write the 4. Total digit are 4, but in each number digit are 2. So we write the answer in only in 2 digit in this method. And any one number solve with the other number. Then 102 add 3 because it is big. Then answer is 105. It is our answer. So we solve it directly. And again, if we want to multiply any other number, 1012 multiply 1005. Here also we can solve in by this method. Here simple number is 1000 and division is 12 and 5. Difference. Big number are add and small number are subtract. After this question, we solve the subtraction questions also. Here 12 5 is 60. But here we are using 3 digits in each numbers. So we write the answer in 3 digits. Write the 0 and solve the any one number to other derivation. So 1012 add 5, then we got 1070. It is our answer. Here is not rules. The sum of derivation is base value, simple number is compulsory for same. Nothing. Here both are 1002 and 3. Here are same, but it is not compulsory. Let's solve another equation. Next question is 97 multiply 104. Here we know that the both numbers are near to 100. Then base is 100 and subbase is 1. But division are both are different here because it is less than 3 and it is greater than 4. So multiply to each other. Then minus 3 multiply by plus 4, then answer will be minus 12. Because in multiplication rules, we know that if both signs are same, then answer will be positive. If both signs are different, then answer is negative. Here one is negative, one is positive. So answer will be negative. And then we solve the any one number to any other derivation. Here 97. Solve by here is plus 4 because it is greater than 97 plus 4 101. But here we see that one number is positive but one number is never negative. How we can write the in joint? So we give one number is carry. In carry method is go to in is base completely one time. If you give a one carry, then one base is come one time. So here answer will be 100 minus 12. Then answer will be 10088. It is our answer. Again I am repeating that the division is minus 3 because it is less than 3 number from simple number 100. And here division is plus 4 is greater than of simple number. Then 4 3 is 12 is negative because one is positive, one is negative. Next we solve 97 to other division because it is 97 and other division is 04. Then answer will be 101. In each time we write the number in continue. That is the answer. But it is negative. so we cannot write it in continuity. So we give a carry. When we give a carry in 1 in this method, then it goes, then it will become a base. Whenever we give a carry, if we give carry 1, then it goes multiply by base, 1 multiply 100, 100. If we give carry 2, then 2 multiply by 100, 200. So in this method we carry by this method usually. So answer will be this. If you have some problem in directly, then you can use the first part language. Then you got the fully confusion clear in solution of questions. But if you want to solve directly, then it will be used. Again, we take another questions. (93) multiplied by 97. So solve it. Here base is 100, but here division is -7. Here is -7 and here is -3. Both are negative. Then multiply to each other. Then -7 multiply -3. Then division is 21. Division multiple is 21. Because both are negative. And solve this by division of this 93, and this number division is -3. Then 93 subtract 3, then we got answer 90. It is our solution. In solving, sometimes we can use it in some language. We can use just like 43 multiply 43. Okay, then division is +3 +3. Okay, in this way we have written, so we cannot confuse in any step. And base short form is B is 10 and subbase is 4, because 40 in 40 digit are 4. So solving this question, multiply the division to each other. Then 3 3 is 9. And here base is 10, so we write the answer in 1 digit. Next, we solve any one number to other number division. So 43 plus 3, 46. But here subbase is a number of digit 4, which is effective in multiplication. Because subbase 1 does not effective in any number. If we multiply the any number to 1, then answer will be never change. But if we multiply any number to 4, then answer will be changed. So we multiply the subbase 1 time. We multiply the subbase how many times? 1 time. So write 9 and we multiply 4 6 are 24, 2 remaining, 4 4 are 16 or 2 18. It is the solution. In this method, we use some language, some step. If you do practice, then you does not need to write the any step. You can calculate the directly in this method. So solving next questions. Next, we multiply the number of 53 multiply 54. Here division is 3, 4 and multiply base 10, subbase 5. Then 4 3 are 12 and solve the any number to any other number division. 53 plus 4, 57 and multiply by subbase. Then answer will be, when we write 12, multiply 5 7 is 35, 3, 5 5 is 25, 3 28. Here we got the division multiplication in 2 digits, but here base is 10, we can write only in 1 digit number, so we carry this number. So we carry this number. Then carry 1 here, then add here, then answer will be 2862. It is the odd answer. In derivation, multiplication is more than of the digit, then we give carry. If it is negative, then we take carry, and if it is the digit are low, then we make in the last digit using zeros. Let's resolve any big number to solving this calculation. 504 multiply 506. Here base equals to 100, subbase equal to 5, and plus 4 plus 6 are deviation, and multiply the deviation, 6 4 are 24, and solve the any one number to other number derivation. 504 plus 6 510, and multiply it by the subbase is 5. Then answer will be 255024. It is our solution because 24 is as it is, and 5 multiplied by 510, then we got 2550. It is the complete solution. In this way, we can calculate the any number to each other and fast speed. We can use step, but it is not compulsory in calculation because it question in banking sector does not require the how to solve. It is required what is the answer, and then it is correct. So thank you for watching this video.